Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Diablo 4 stuttering and phrasing. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings and check for updates. Make sure to install all the updates that you can find in Windows Update Settings. Then go back and now go to View Advanced System Settings, adjust for best performance, click apply and OK, then go back. After that, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now go to GeForce Experience. If you can't find it, just download it from your browser and then go to settings and then check for updates. Make sure you have the latest update, then go to settings, scroll down, and here you will find image scaling. Enable this option and then right click on your desktop, go to NVIDIA control panel and then just wait a few seconds and this window will pop up. Now click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.